So why don't I don't know if you are using your phone and the assignment is also on your system. Okay, no problem. So I have this particular one from our Boko guy, but he's yet to join. He's yet to join. So why don't we wait for him? Then as soon as he joins, we will continue with the lesson. Okay.
So which channel do you want us to send it to you?
No, the work that you've done. I just wanted to see what you've been able to do.
So I'm saying that how can I send
it? You send it to me via WhatsApp, or I can give you my email address. Then you can send it through that particular email address.
Okay.
So yesterday we started, as a way of revision, we started by entering the serial number and the polling station code. Then we did a numbering 1 to using autofill to the last, person. That is 250. That is it. Good. Then we identify that we need to use, a naming system, which is what? PS1. So after typing PS1, you do the autofill. You get it from PS1 to PS 250. Then we proceeded to look at the design of our data entry form. And this is where we will be linking the various names of our polling stations to. So the first thing you do is to get a design right, presidential, then you list all the, candidates for the various political parties, and you do same for what parliamentary as well. So as soon as you finish, then you hold on the control, you click on PS1, you drag to the right, and it makes a copy of that particular worksheet. So what I needed from you guys was to make copies of these for about 250 of them. So as soon as you finish, then you make sure the names are in line with what you did under the data entry list. So that is what I asked you guys to do. So if you've been able to do that, that is fine. Okay. So let's look at the next, step. So the next step is for us to link the names to whatever is here. So this is where we will type the actual names of our polling stations. So you type polling stations. So whatever polling station name you put here should be in line with what is here. Is it okay now? Okay, I think he's also joining. So let him join then. You continue. Okay, welcome if you can hear us. Hello, welcome.
Hello.
Sule, welcome. Yes, welcome.
Evening.
Okay, great.
I hope I'm not late.
Oh no, you are not. You are not. I was just going over what we did yesterday. And I'm using your work as the sample here.
Okay.
So you've done a great job getting all these, various worksheets for the various polling stations. Okay. So as a way of we continuing our work, you come to the data entry list. So I don't know if Ibrahim can also do the same. Go to column C, C1, you type polling stations. Polling station.
So should I share my screen or
no, now my system is working. So you just on your end. So polling station is there.
So how can I take the lines off?
I have to take yours out before I can't.
You want to do what? Take what off?
Your screen off so I can connect to mine.
Okay. So you just minimize the zoom and open your system. Open your Excel sheet. You can minimize the zoom.
Okay, let me try.
You minimize the zoom, or you can even connect with your phone. If you have Zoom on your phone, you can connect with your phone. Then you just take the zoom off your laptop so that you can practice.
My phone is. Hello.
Yes, I'm listening.
Okay. Yeah, I'm on.
I was
Okay.
talking about the line that make the
Yes.
column. It's like you have taken it off.
Which line?
I mean the lines that makes the columns.
The rows and the columns. These lines.
The vertical lines. If you go
Yes.
to the data entering list.
Yes. It is here. Oh, you can see the lines.
Yeah, they are there. I can't see them.
Yeah, the lines are there. The
I
lines
mean
are
the
there.
vertical one, the one that is deep. They are there.
Yes, they are there.
Okay.
They are there.
Okay.
Okay. So let's proceed.
Okay.
So what we need to do is to link these individual sheets, the names of these, respective. How do I
Hello.
even put?
I
Yes.
beg you, just pause a minute and let me just answer this important call and come back and join you. Just a
Okay.
few seconds, I beg you.
Okay. So now what we need to do is to have a system whereby if I type the polling station name here, it should automatically appear at this particular section as the name of the polling station. And we'll be using what we term as what? Cell reference. And for that to happen, you will need to use the equal to sign on the keyboard. So I'll demonstrate and I'll allow you to complete all the 255. Is that okay?
Okay.
So you tap on the equal to sign on the keyboard. Then you come and click on data entry list. So I'll click on it and I'll select the first polling station. So which is on row 2. So once you do that, check from the formula bar, we have data entry list. There is exclamation and what? C2. So it means that when you go to PS2, PS2 would have C3. PS4 will have C4, C5 in that order. So we exhaust the list. Is it okay? I'll need you to respond if it's okay. Is it okay?
It's okay.
Okay, I will need you to unmute yourself.
Okay.
Okay, then, so once you press the equal to, you click on the data entry list, and you come and click the C2, then you press enter on the keyboard. So it will be here as what? 0. So when I come to data entry list, and I type, let's say, Kojo Kuma. So as soon as I come to PS1, Kojo Kuma should appear here.
Yeah, okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
So when you do it this way, we can use this template for other constituencies. So once you get their polling station names, then you just link it. Am I making some sense?
Yes. Let me try one and see.
Yes, try. Then I
So
will
first
need
of all, you
So first of all, you click on the PS1, you come to the title, then you tap on the equal to sign first. So that's the first thing you do. You tap on the
after
equal
that you
to
go
sign.
back to.
Good. So after the equal to sign, then you come and click on the data entry list worksheet. So when you click on it, then you come and select what? Row 2. Is it okay now?
Okay.
So after selecting row 2, you press enter.
Okay.
Have you been able to do it, the two of you?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
So this is the formula we will be using. So I want us to look at this trick where we can do it for all of them at the same time. Am I making some sense?
We should do it for all the
Yes. So I'm going to show you this trick. I'll click on, sorry. First of all, I'll need to copy the formula from the formula bar. Okay. So I'll highlight it from the formula bar, Control C to copy. I've copied that. So kindly do that. You highlight it from the formula bar.
Okay.
You copy. Then you come to PS2. Are we there?
Okay. So let me remove the boku.
No. What we are doing is to link it. So the name I put here is Kojokuma. That is how come you are seeing Kojokuma here.
Okay.
Because this is the formula. So it will pick it from the data entry list. So whatever is found in C2 should be placed here.
Okay.
Is it okay? So what I'm saying is,
please,
I'm listening.
I'm lost because
Okay.
the data entry list is not appearing on the formula bar.
Okay, so let's start again. Click on PS1.
I shall click on PS1.
Yes.
Okay.
After the data entry list. Have you done that?
Yes, I've clicked the PS1.
Okay, so click on A1, cell A1.
Okay.
Then press equal to on the keyboard.
Okay.
Then after pressing the equal to, you go and click on data entry list.
Okay, I'm there.
Then you go and select C2.
C2, okay.
So once you click on C2, you see the thing is going around it.
Yes.
Then press enter on the keyboard. Press enter on the keyboard.
I've pressed enter.
So go back to data entry list. And in C2, you can type your name. So I can type Infinix and press enter.
Infinite.
Go to C2, type Infinix. Now, after typing Infinix, it should reflect on PS1. So I'll come and click on PS1. Now you see Infinix appears. If you did it right, you should, you should have this. Is it okay?
So I should, okay.
Do you see it? Good, that is fine. Okay, Sule, do you have the same thing? Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. So what I'm saying is, click on the Infinix and go into the formula bar at the top. Can you see the formula bar where I've highlighted at the top?
Yes.
Good. So press Control C on the keyboard.
So we should highlight it.
Yes, highlight it and copy. After highlighting, you press Control C to copy. Or without, going into the formula bar, you can do Control C to copy. Can you do that?
Okay, yes.
Control C to copy. Then let's come to PS2. Then you go to A1, Control V to paste.
It will paste the same as the first one, the P1.
That is it. So after pasting, then we come and change this from C2 to C3.
Okay.
So my problem is if I go to the PS1,
yes,
the formula bar, instead of data entry list, who's supposed to be there? That is the FX.
Yes.
It's rather presidential.
No, because you did not do the right thing. So go. I want you to click on A1 because you need to see A1 in the name box, because I'm guessing it should be B2.
Okay.
It should be A1, so you need to click on it.
So, okay, after clicking on A1.
Do you see data entry list?
Yes, yes.
So kindly copy that. Control C to copy. Yes.
I've done it.
Then come to PS2.
Okay.
Then Control V to paste.
I should paste it at A1.
Yes, paste it at A1.
Okay.
So when you paste at
happy.
A1, it is still the same formula in the formula bar. So you go and change the C2
yes, yes.
to C3, then you press enter. Am I making some sense here?
Yes. But I was thinking that we could have done once and drag, or this one you can't drag.
No, you can't, because these are different worksheets.
Okay.
Separate worksheets. You can't do that. Are we all on the same page?
Yes.
So if I come to my data entry list and I come to C3 and I type Samsung and I go back to my PS2, Samsung should appear. Is it okay?
Okay.
Is it okay now?
Yes.
Aha. So what we have to do is to do it for all the worksheets. So we do Control C again. Then we go to PS3. Then Control V to what? Paste. So after pasting, this is C3, then we change it to what? C4.
The thing is cumbersome small. I have to copy for all of them.
Yes, that's a lot of work.
Yes.
Yes, because you need to do it step by step. But if you take your time to do it, the result will be worth the work. Is it okay now?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm at
now I'll copy it again.
C13.
I'll copy it again. So from C4, I go to PS4. Okay. Then I'll paste again. Then I'll change it from C4 to C5. So if I come to my data entry list and I type, let's say, Fifi at C4, Urban at C5. So when I go to PS3, I should see Fifi there. When I go to PS4, I should see polling station Urban. Is it okay?
Sir, please, if you can go back a little bit for me.
Okay. So what I'm saying is, we come to PS1. That is the first thing we did. We press the equal to. Then you come and click on the data entry list. Then you select the C2, because that is our first polling station. Then you press enter. That is all. So after getting the formula, you press Control C to copy. I want you to watch, understand before you go and do it. So Control C to copy. We are on PS1, so I'll go to PS2.
Okay.
So I'll click on PS2, Control V to paste. But instead of C2, I change it to what? C3. So you click in it, you do a backspace, you type 3, you hit enter. Then you use the same process again, Control C to copy. I come to what? PS3, Control V to paste in A1. So after pasting, I need to change it from 3 to 4. Then I'll do the same thing again, Control C to copy. I come to PS4, Control V to paste. So from C4, I go to what? C5.
Okay.
Then Control C to copy again. I come and click on PS5, Control V to paste. Then I change the 5 to 6. So Control C to copy. I come to PS6, Control V to paste. Then I change the 6 to 7. So you need to do that for all the 250 polling stations. Is it understood?
Okay.
Okay, Sule, is it understood?
Yes, I'm on the P23 now.
Hey, then Charlie, you are way ahead. Aha. So
yeah,
that will be your assignment.
I've used my police stations. I've used the police stations to get space so that I've used that one.
Okay,
to now do the work.
That is fine. So kindly continue in that order. Then tomorrow, God willing, we will look at linking them and creating our dashboard. So you need to complete it.
Okay.
Yes, I'm listening.
So all those things, we need to enter some list to the data entry list.
No, you don't need to enter in the list. Just create the formulas. As soon as you get a list, automatically it should work. I get it. So this is what PS6. So if I come to data entry list and I come to PS6 and I type Ibrahim. So if I go to my PS6, I should see Ibrahim there. Is it okay?
Okay, so we shouldn't matter about the typing aspect. We should just copy and paste it.
Yes, you copy, then you paste, and you change the formula. So I'll copy this. I'm on PS6 now. So I'll copy, then I'll come to PS7. Then I'll do Control V to paste. So I change the 7 to 8. Then I'll copy it again. Then I come to PS8. I click in this, Control V to paste. Then I change the 8 to 9. You need not to rush because you need to take your time. If you make a mistake, it will affect the entire system.
Okay.
Is that okay?
So at the end of the day, it's supposed to be 250. I mean the C aspect.
Yes.
The formula.
So the C should end at 251, which is the last polling station. Okay. Because I am currently on PS7. So PS7, it is now C8. So Control C to copy. I come to PS8. Control V to paste. Then I change the 8 to what? 9. So if I go to my data entry list and I go to my polling station 9, sorry, polling station 8, I can type, let's say, Kofi. So if I come to my polling station 8, you see Kofi is there. So we are developing it in such a way that any polling station can use it. So once you get your polling station names, you just paste it in this column and automatically it should reflect on all the sheets. Is it okay?
Okay.
So I'll come and copy this again. Control C to copy. I come to PS9, Control V to paste. Then I change the 9 to 10. Then I'll copy again. I come to what? PS 10. Control V to paste. Then I change the 10 to what? 11. Is it okay now?
So, sir. Hello.
Yes, I'm listening. Speak.
Hello.
Yes, I'm listening. Speak.
So, in this case, if you are in PS10,
yes,
the formula is supposed to be C11.
That is it.
Huh?
That is it. That is it. So you add 1 to it. You add 1 to it. Okay. So PS10, it should be C11. So when you go to PS11, it should be C12. So you just add 1 to it. That's all. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
It's not all that clear.
I am saying the formula, you just add 1 to it. You just add 1 to each. So I'm currently in PS10. So with PS10, this is the formula, C11. So Control C to copy. Then I come to PS11. Then Control V to what? Paste. Then I'll change it to what? 12. Because I'm in PS11 and we're using what? C12. So when you come to PS12, it should be C13. Is it okay?
So I'm saying that
Yes.
if you are in PS11, so the
Yes.
formula is supposed to be C12.
That is it.
So it means it has 1 ahead.
That is it. That is it.
All right. Thank you very much.
So do that for all of them. So that is your assignment for today.
Okay. Okay.
So tomorrow when we meet, we will continue.
Okay.
I want us to complete this in 1 week. So every meeting and the task.
Okay.
Okay.
I hope there will be notes.
There will be.
Hello?
Yes.
Note.
Please.
There's notes, sir.
There is what? News? I don't understand.
Notes.
Notes. I should give you notes.
Yes.
But we are discussing and you are doing it.
But this one, 2 days time, you forget this.
No, you won't forget because I'm letting you do the work.
Sir.
But anyway, I'll put you in the Google Classroom. Whatever we've discussed will be uploaded.
Because yesterday you said you put it in Google Classroom.
Yes, for yesterday, I wasn't able to, record. I couldn't record the meeting because of the challenge, but this particular meeting is being recorded now. So I'll put it up. You can go there as a form of reference.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll say bye-bye.
Thank you very much.
Then tomorrow, God willing, we will meet.
Okay, we'll try.
Please be on time.
Thank you.
Okay. So as soon as you finish, I want you to send it to me so that I look at what you've done. Okay?
Okay.
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 Right.